Hi, everybody. It's Jack Belligan with you again from the SPI Group, Settlement Professionals, Settlement Capital Advisors, and Plaintiffs MSA and Lien Solution, soon to be renamed as MSA Rescue. Watch for that announcement shortly. So this is our sometimes structure rate update. Things don't change all that rapidly sometimes. And so it's been a while here, I guess 4 weeks, but it's time because we've seen some movements and at least in the bond market. And as I've talked before, the way that we've spotted that these annuity companies will be responsive to interest rates in the market is by watching the 10-year rate. And this is the chart that I've shown before. This goes back a whole year. And of course, we had a pretty good spike there in 23. We've actually had, as of October 16th of last year, we hit a high of 4.9. Then we went all the way down into December and 2 months later and hit, well, just a little under 3.9, a whole 1% loss. Since then, sawtoothing up over and over, making new higher highs, not making new lower lows, which means this is a trend. It should continue. Here back April 22nd, we were just about to 4.7. Currently, a little bit of a pullback down to looks like about 4.5. Call it that, 4.5. So what does that mean for our structure rates? We'll take a look at those next. So here's the current structure rates based on annuity rates that are in effect on May 10th, 2024. Now, if you compare this to our last update, you'll see 1 basis, maybe 2 basis points difference up or down in these rates. Very, very close to exactly what they were, in spite of the fact that we've had that that peak that I showed you on the 10-year bond market chart here just a few weeks ago in April at 4.7. It certainly looks like interest rates are going to continue going up, and that means that it should continue to be a very good climate for considering structured settlement annuities as the foundational piece of a settlement plan, which I've also talked about. Structured settlements are a great strategy. They're not the answer to everything that everybody needs or wants to do in a personal injury suit. They may not be the answer to anything a particular claimant needs or wants to do, but how that is determined and uncovered in our world is through creating a comprehensive settlement plan that identifies all of the goals, concerns, and needs of your client, and then builds a plan around that. And many times structured settlements become the foundation of that plan. Many times they don't. There are alternative investments to meet clients' needs. Surprise, surprise. One final thing to show you is that the thing about structure rates is that it's great to know about where the current rates are, but how do you tell if your client is getting the best possible deal? The only way to do that is to have transparency in the marketplace, and the way that we provide that is through what we call our market survey. So I'm going to show that to you, and we'll attach a copy of this. This is a sanitized version of a very, very recent one. Sorry, I'm not trying to brag. Yeah, this is a big case, huge case. But what this allows you to see is that we've surveyed all these markets, these annuity markets. There may be a couple on here that you may think are missing. If you can think of a company that you don't see on here and you'd like to know why, send me a message or an email and the name of the company, and I'll tell you why they're not on this list. But for now, this is the market survey in this particular case, and you can see the big differential. Also, the rated ages awarded in this case are in this one column here, right next to the names of the insurance companies. But big cost difference from all the way from less than 6 million to almost 7,850,860. That's a wide gap. And without a market survey where you could not only compare all the companies and what they're willing to bid for your client's business, but also then compare their financial ratings, kind of hard to maybe prove that you got due diligence in your file that the market was surveyed. This is what we provide. We'll attach a copy. If you want to print it out, share it, send it around, take a look, you're more than welcome. All right, that's it for today. We'll be back again in probably another couple of weeks. And again, watch out for that announcement that PMLS is rebranding and coming out with a new identity as MSA Rescue. Coming soon. Talk soon. Take care, everybody.